Hey guys, how's it going today? Tabs McCaffrey here from the Urban Goddess shop, and I'm coming at you with a video on bundles. Who, what, when, where, and why do we do bundles? Great question. I received quite a few messages recently through Instagram on how do I work bundles, how do I make changes, things like that, and I'm going to go over all of that with you today.
Make sure you stay till the end, and I'm going to go over my tips and tricks on why I use bundles to grow sales.
Okay, so to protect people's privacy, I can't show you kind of all my likes because then you would see everyone's names, but we're going to walk through this together. So I want you to open the Poshmark app, then go to your news on the bottom, and it should show you kind of everything that's going on. So these are people that follow, people that share or like your items. Find an item that was liked, and you'll see the Poshers profile picture with their name, and it says liked your listing, and then you'll see a picture of the listing they liked. So what you do is click on their profile picture with the heart, and that'll bring you to their profile. Up on the top right hand corner, you'll see a picture of their profile with a shopping bag, and tap that as well. This will now bring you to the bundle feature. In here, this is under their name. Sorry, we're gonna go one more step. Tap those three dots on the top right hand corner, and then you want to hit switch to sell view. What this does is switches to you as the seller. Now it's going to show your name at the top, and underneath it's going to show the items that they liked from your closet. Now that we're into this, what you're going to be able to do is go to the items, and you'll see there's a heart, a shopping bag, and then kind of like two arrows that make a square. You want to tap that, add it to their profile. When you tap that button, it's going to show that you want to share this listing, and you're going to click on the picture with their name. What it does, it shares it into their shopping cart. I usually do that for both items if there's any other items in their likes. And then I also like to shoot them a comment. So here is where I go to the comment section. I thank them for liking the item, and then I let them know if they bundle, they'll save however much %. I always add in there, let me know if you have any questions, I'd love to help, and I leave it at that. There's totally no pressure to buy. It's just open communication with them. If they only like one item, I will do this and then encourage them to like multiple items and then kind of create a bundle. If they've already liked 2 or 3 items, and maybe I caught this like an hour or 2 after they like the items, I'll put them in the bundle. I'll send them this message, and then I'll actually go to offer. Now, when I go to offer, I look at what the total bundle price is. So say it was for $50. I'll then use my calculator and calculate what discount I'm willing to give. So most of the time, if they're bundling, I'm giving them 20% off. So I will multiply this by 0.8. It's going to give me $40. I then go to the offer and I type in $40. It is your choice whether you want to do discounted shipping or not. And this is the point where you can add that. Say you want to give either $9.99, $6.99, or free shipping. Keep in mind, any discounted shipping you give will come from your proceeds. Totally cool. Whatever works for your business model is what you should do, and then it'll tell you what your pre-tax earnings are. After that, you're going to hit send, and it's going to send the offer to them. Now, sometimes what happens is that when people make a purchase, they purchase one item, send them a message and just let them know, hey, if you bundle, you can save 20% off. And they're like, oh gosh, I just found a couple more items. So this is the next thing that you may have to do. How do you cancel a bundle to add another item? It's really not as difficult as it seems. We're going to go over this step by step as well. So say you have a bundle that needs to be canceled. Go down to the sales tab. On the sales tab, I'm going to select the sale that I need to cancel, and then I'm going to go to problems, inquiry, and I'm going to do cancel order. Now, they're going to ask you, why are you canceling this order? And I will click will bundle with another item. When I do that, do you want to cancel this order? I say yes, cancel. And then what Poshmark is going to do is it's going to take a few minutes, it's going to process, and then it's going to let you know it's canceled. You still have to recreate the new bundle. So now what I do is that you have to relist this item. Unfortunately, with Poshmark, when an order is canceled, they don't automatically relist your items. I'm going to go to that item or to that sale. I'm going to click on the item itself, and then I'm going to hit on the top right-hand corner the 2 little arrows in a box. It's going to ask me if I want to copy this listing. Yes, I want to copy this listing because I still want to resell it, right? So I'm going to hit copy listing, and then it's going to pull up all the information. If you look in the title, it's actually going to say copy in big bold letters. What I usually do is back out the copy portion and kind of leave the little dash. This way I know that this is the second listing. Then once you do that, you're going to save it, and I usually want to do this right away just in case the item sells to someone else. Then I will click that item and I will share it to that posher. Sometimes if you haven't recently shared an item to them, it won't show up. So I actually have to go back into the sale, look up what their Poshmark account name is, and then I will have to search that to share it to them. Once you share it into the bundle, you're good to go. Add the other 2 items that they liked and you've created a new bundle, send them your new offer, and bada bing, bada boom, you just created a bundle sale from a single sale. So I do this quite often. Sometimes when people purchase just a single item, I'll actually shoot them a message and say, hey, I'm not sure if you know this, but you're gonna pay shipping once. Did you wanna add another item from my closet? And I'll give you a discount on that one as well. It doesn't always work, but it's a fun way to upsell, no pressure way, just kind of communicating with the purchaser. This also opens up like, hey, I didn't know that, but I'm good for today, but I'm gonna keep an eye on your closet. I don't know, there's various ways messaging happens after this, but I just like to keep that communication open. How do I use bundles? Number 1, when people want to purchase more than one item. When people like just one item, I try and create it into a bundle, right? So I toss in the bundle, send them the message, and hopefully they add another item. I don't know if this helps you. These are just some tips that I do in my business. They work pretty good. Hope this answers all your questions. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. If you do this system, let me know. I want to hear, how do bundles work for you? If there's anything else you want me to add in the future or that you want me to cover, I'm more than happy to make more videos to help you guys. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye!